Hello, myself Gayatri Vani, and today's topic is access modifiers in Java. Today's date is 9th of August 2022. So, in this topic, that is access modifiers and non-access modifiers, we will learn about these modifiers. So, first of all, these access modifiers and non-access modifiers, these are the very important topic in the Java. So, the modifiers are of two types. So, these two types are, one is access modifier and the second one is non-access modifier. So, what actually this access modifier does? In Java, this specifies the accessibility, that means how we can access or where we can access that particular field method or constructor of the class, or we can know about the scope of this method or any kind which is used in Java. So these access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field or method or constructor or a class. So by using these access modifiers, we can provide the particular access whatever we want to provide to that particular class or method or constructor or the class. So this is the main important advantage, or this is the main important task of this particular access modifier. So here we can change the access level of the fields or constructor or method and class by applying the access modifier on it. So by using these access modifiers, we can access the level of the field. We can provide the access whatever we want. Suppose we want the access in the particular class, suppose we want the access outside the class, or we want it only in the method, or we want only in the class. So that is decided by us, what kind of access we have to provide to that particular program. So there are the types of these access modifiers. So the access modifiers are private, default, protected and public. So these are the access modifiers in Java. So let's see one by one. Suppose we have the access modifier private. Then in this access modifier private, the access level of this private is only within the class. Or here we have to provide the keyword private to that in front of that particular class name or method. So this is about the private. In the private access modifier cannot be accessed outside the class. It is accessed only within the class. The second one is the default access modifier. The access level of this default modifier is only within the package. Only within the package. We cannot access this in another package. Or if we don't specify the access level, that means suppose we are not giving any keyword in front of our class or method, then in that case it is by default is default. That means it considered it as a default. Then another one is protected. The protected access modifier is accessed only within the package and outside the package through child class only. Means for using this protected access modifier, its access level is only within the package. But if we want to access without the package, then we can access it through the child class. So if the child class is not made, it cannot be accessed from the outside of the package. Means without child class we cannot access the next is public. So the public access level of this public access modifier is everywhere. So if we are using the public, we can access that from method, any class, any pack, anywhere, everywhere we can access. The next is now we will understand the access modifier. So suppose we have the access modifiers private, default, protected and public. So from that we will see within the class, within the package, outside the package by subclass and outside the package. So first one is private. So private is accessed only within the class. It is not accessed within the package. It is not accessed outside the package or by subclass, or it is not accessed outside the package. Next one is default. The default is accessed within the class, within the package, but it is not accessed outside the package by subclass or outside the package. The next access modifier is protected. So protected is accessed only within the class, within the package, outside the package by the subclass. It is not accessed outside the package. And the next one is public. So the public is accessed only within the class, within the package, outside the package by the subclass and outside the package. So this public is accessed everywhere. Now the next access the non-access modifiers are static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient and final. So this is about the non-access modifiers. So this is the information about access modifier and non-access modifier in Java. Thank you.